Alright, so here's the setup. I've got a generic DC generator with 4 inputs and ground. So 12 volt minus, 12 volt positive, 5 volt, and a variable 1 to 20. And here is our mystery box. The mystery box has only 2 markings on it, a 6 volt DC, and a price tag, which yes, it was cheap as hell, $5.95. What we have here, I have no idea. It looks like some sort of variable spark gap. It's the only thing protruding from the sides of the box other than the terminals marked 6 volts DC and presumably about a couple thousand volts DC or AC. Can't tell which, that's what I'm asking you about. Let's see, I think it idles at about 6 volts, but when we start it up, it tends, and when we're doing that, when we get a constant stream of plasma, we're pulling about 6 volts. Anything below that makes it pop. So I'm thinking, because it's getting that static sound, and if you can hear that, it's kind of an odd sound from the that's from the box up top. But that last pull was about 6 volts, just constant right here. And that was pulling almost a little bit over 2 amps. It was pushing a little bit over 2 amps, which is basically all my power supply can source. But yeah, that's the mystery box. If you pull this bottom off with the screws, all you find is some black potted epoxy and an electrolytic capacitor. And that's not too exciting, so I don't feel like unscrewing it right now. If you really need to see inside, I can take a picture, but other than that, I think that's about it. Look at the backside, nothing here, nothing here. So we got ourselves a little wooden high voltage generating mystery box. And I'm not entirely sure what it outputs, but that doesn't matter. So yeah, I could use some help. Thanks in advance for anything you might know.